Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial video. In here, I'm going to walk you through how to make use of Profit Resolution. Profit Resolution is an all-in-one software which incorporates about 11 amazing and impactful software which we have designed over time. This software allows you to access other software products like Maxima, TV Profits, Proto, Swell, CryptoPays, among others. So now once you're able to log into your account, this is exactly how your dashboard will look like. And on the sidebar here, you're going to have dashboard, you have my products, you have support, upgrade, and bonuses we have for you, right? So once you come here, you just click on my products here. And immediately you'll be taken to this interface here, where you have all the products listed out for you. We've got Maxima, CryptoPays, TV Profits. You see we have 2Pays, we have Swell, Freebie Cash, we have Click Cash, Interaction, Google Cash. We also have Cloud Drive, we have PhotoPays, like that. So you can actually create your account by yourself by clicking on register. Okay, now let's start with CryptoPays. And then you'll be taken to this interface where you have to input your name, your username, email, and password here, right? So now your account must have been successfully created, and then you can now log into your account, right? So what you do is to just input your email here, Isaac Michael, that's gmail.com. Then your password, and you click on login. And then you will be able to have access to your dashboard immediately, right? And this is the CryptoPays dashboard here. Then you can now make use of all the features that are embedded and integrated into CryptoPays for you, right? This is so beautiful. This is amazing. This is highly revolutionary. So now let's go back. So it is that simple. All you have to do is to come to each of the software and click on register. You create your account, and then subsequently you log in with the details you've used to create your account. Like that, you can do that with 2Pays, Swell, Freebie Cash, Google Cash, Interaction, Click Cash, Cloud Drive, PhotoPays, like that. It is very simple. It is all in one. So now right here, you can as well come to our support. You can, send out any inquiry. You still want to know more about any of the software, you can easily reach out to us through the support here. And as well, you want to upgrade any of your accounts, you can just click on the upgrade here, and that will be done for you automatically, right? And we have a whole lot of bonuses for you. And the moment you click on the bonus here, of course, you're going to be able to access the bonus packages that we have for you. So that is it about Profit Resolution. Thank you very much.